In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of your page in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're formatting a document for printing, trying to fit more content on each page, or simply looking to jazz up your presentation. Let's dive into the details and transform your document's layout with ease. First, open the document you wish to modify in Microsoft Word. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where we'll start our journey. You'll notice several tabs here, including options like Home, Insert, Design, and others. But for today's task, we'll focus on the Layout tab. Go ahead and click on Layout to unveil a whole new suite of tools specifically for designing your document's page. Now, look for the section called Page Setup, which is usually located towards the left of the Layout tab. Within this section, you'll find a button labeled Orientation. This button is your key to switching between portrait and landscape modes. When you click on Orientation, a small drop-down menu will appear, showing you two options: Portrait and Landscape. Let's talk a bit about these options. The Portrait orientation is the default setting in Microsoft Word. This is the vertical layout that most documents start with, and it's ideal for text-heavy pages such as letters and reports. If your document already looks the way you want when it's in portrait mode, you might not need to change a thing. On the other hand, if you're working with wide tables, large images, or anything that benefits from a little extra horizontal space, you might prefer the Landscape orientation. This is a horizontal layout, where the page is rotated 90 degrees, giving your content more room to breathe from left to right. Selecting one of these options is a breeze. Once you've decided which orientation works best for your document, simply click on your choice. If you pick Portrait, your document will immediately adopt this vertical format. Choosing Landscape will stretch the page sideways, accommodating wider content. Word conveniently adjusts the display right away, so you can instantly see how your document will look in its new orientation. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page orientation in your Word document. Feel free to toggle back and forth between these options. It's a quick process and can be done as often as needed until you're perfectly satisfied with how your document appears. This neat feature lets you tailor your documents to better meet your needs, whether you're printing or presenting. Remember, playing around with these layout settings can make a huge difference in how your document appears visually, so don't hesitate to experiment and see what feels right for your specific project. Thanks for tuning into this guide on changing page orientations in Word. Happy formatting, and I'll see you in the next video.